Yo, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a great day, and if you're gaining one or two things from this channel, please tell your friend to tell your friend to tell your friend, and push the like button also. Today we are going to do a little bit of recap, the way we used to do, and what we're expecting for next week. So today's analysis is GBP AUD. GBP AUD. Okay, now let's jump into it. Firstly, the way I used to do it, we do a recap and we jump to the top down analysis and analyze what we're expecting for next week. So let's go to a weekly basis. Let's do a recap of what happened last week. If you haven't checked my last the video I did last on GBP AUD, you can go back for you to understand very well. So last week that we just finished now, let me mark it out. Now let's step down to a daily basis, and this is let's put it on Monday. Yeah, this is Monday. So I think last week we see a little bit of consolidation throughout the trade, and if you check what I said on last week. As on last week, which is Monday, I said I'm expecting price to break this equal highs that form here. This is my expectation, that I'm expecting price to break this equal high. If we can see our 2 hours candle giving us a chart formation, like a chart pattern that form that I'm looking for this place to break. And I said I'm not expecting price to break below this low. That once price break below this swing low, I'm expecting a little bit of bias in my uptrend. So, and looking at what the price is doing for the last week, we have been consolidating within this region. This region, price has been consolidating a sideways consolidation, and uh this is the level of price last week. This week we just finished. But now my bias is still the same thing. We are still on an uptrend to this level. Last week we should have broken it, but this week we on a continuation. So we see this spike up movement on Friday from this low. This happened on Thursday, and we see a movement up. Now we're expecting to break this equal highs here. We were expecting to break this equal highs here. Then we're going back to my prediction for last week, this week. So, and looking at this week we're going to get in, we're coming into the last week of the month. So we might see a little bit of spike in the price because the price have been consolidating for last week. So we've created a manipulation. Now we're seeing the movement here. So last week we don't need to do much of analysis because price is basically on consolidation. Price was just on this swing low here. Yeah, price is still in this region. Price was in this region and it was also in this region here. Price was in this region and also in this region here. So we're trading between this region. So now we've already finished what the price is going to do. So what is our next prediction for the next coming week? Now, before I even do the top down analysis, let me do the top down analysis first. Let's go on a weekly basis. Let me clear all this drawing. Okay, on a weekly basis, we've already seen that on a weekly this is a consolidating part. So now this candle that form already give me a confirmation. Now here we don't see any evidence of like what the price is going to do, but when we step down to let's do monthly. When we do that on monthly, so price have already given us a big week here. Price have already filled up the week. So on this month now, we are not clear, oh, where is the price going? But due to my bias and my analysis, here is a resistance point. Price have been playing at this resistance point, resistance, weakness. Price have been in this point for like 2 months now. Price, that's what the price is doing. On the weekly also, we are a little bit confused, like, oh, what's the price gonna do? Because this is our major resistance here. These are major resistance here, and the price has been there for like one, two, three, four, five, for 5 weeks, roughly a month plus. So if you step down to a daily basis, now on a daily basis, what have we found? We found swing high, we found a swing high, swing low, we found another high which is not higher than this, then we form a low. So due to our bias, what I'm looking now is for price to come to break this high first and to break this high, because we are on a resistance point and price have respected it. We've seen shift in price to the upside. So on Monday, I'm expecting continuation of this price, not expecting retracement. Because if you look at the 4 hours, we are already at this point of resistance. And if you check 2 hours, I'll pick a point on 2 hours. On 2 hours, anytime you see a candle formation like this, a red candle like this on the point of resistance like this, see the okay now check when this candle gets here, check the candle formation that form, it engulf this one. When it got to this point, check the next candle that form, it engulf this one. Check the next candle that form. When it got to this point, check the next candle that form, it engulf this one. Now when we get to this point, check this small candle that form. This candle that form is giving me that this is the 50% of the next movement. Now this is the complete 100%. Is like this. Let me use a box from here. Now a box here. Now this is showing me that this is the 50%. I mean the 50% of the next movement. So the next movement we're expecting is from here to this point, which is actually according to what we've been expecting price to do. Price to break this equal highs that was here, this equal highs here, and equal resistance point that was formed on last week. Resistance point that formed on last week. See, so this kind of formation is showing me that okay, price is going to break this high and break this high. So that's what I'm expecting, and I'm still on my bias. Like price is going to get to this point, even break it than this. But what I'm looking for here is for price to get here. Price should get here. So let me change this color to blue. This is the point I'm expecting price to get to. Price should go there and retrace back for the continuation. So for now, we're still good. We are already back to our uptrend. We're already back to our uptrend. Now, what is my entry point? My entry point should be any kind of formation on 1 hour on Monday is an Asian section at this point. 1 hour candle. Let's see what the price is going to do. Once price broke above this red candle, we should enter the trade for a buy. And where are we expecting to take out our profit? I'm expecting to take first partial at the break of this and second at the break of this equal highs here. And our final location is here. So let me pull out this. Like we're expecting something like this. We're expecting something like this. And our stop loss should be below this. We're expecting something like this to this point. So first one here, first one above this candle at this point, and second one should be the same point above this candle and to this and to above this candle here. Always look to the side. Now we step down to 4 hours to see what the price is going to do. So above this candle and here, that's the next place to take. And our final one will be from third partial taking will be here also. So this is how we're going to take the trade from here to here to here to here. So on next week, we are still on uptrend. Let me step down to 4 hours to see what the price is going to do. On 4 hours here, we're still good actually. when it broke this first one, because we have a lot of weakness here, that's why we're taking our first partial here. And the second partial is above this candle. Now, if you say see on 2 hours where I take the price here, I see something like a bearish engulfing candle at this point. And the reason why I'm taking it here, because we have a lot of, this is the place why the price shifted. See, this is resistance, we have support, it broke it. Now this is a strong point for me to take. So anytime the price do this, we might see a little bit of retracement to this equal highs here, for continuation to the upside. So, and let us be careful. Two things can happen. We might see a spike up because it's the last week of the month. So we should like, okay, first take this one, which is 100. This is 70% assurance that price is going to get here, and see what the price is going to do during the week. And thank you and God bless. And before I go, let's check 1 hour and see our where we want to put our stop loss. Yeah, I think we're at a good position for stop loss here. Let's see 30 minutes. 30 minutes also good. I don't want our stop loss to be too big to this level. It will be like more than our risk to reward. So this one can follow it to this level. But for me, I'm not expecting price to come here again. I'm expecting price to go here. So my stop loss is still at this level. At this first level, I put it there. So our first 1 hour or 2 hours of Asian section will tell us what the price is going to do. But you have to pay attention to the first 1 hour or 2 hours of each section. Thank you and God bless. See you next week. And if you're getting one or two things, please push the like button. And if you want us to discuss something more, or you want clarification about something you don't understand, you can put it in the comment section and I will attend it with you and we can discuss together. Thank you and have a great week. Bye.